guys, welcome back to Hard World. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and give a big thumbs up if you like it and turn on the notification bell so now the video like this. So today, shut my door. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some slime. So for those out there who do not know how to make slime, I'll show you. I have 2 bottles of glue because it came in a pack. So I'm just going to take one out. So what you need to make slime is Tide. Tide is very expensive, but if you want to make slime, that's how you make slime. And we gotta crush the bottle open, jeez. Okay, friend. Got 1 bottle of glue, so you need a bottle of glue. Elmer's glue. This is not Elmer's glue, but it still works. Some glues don't work, so you have to test them out. See? You need a mixing tool. You need a bowl to mix with it, and you need the activator. So yeah, let's get started. First step you want to do is pour your glue in. Ooh, that was easy. And pour your glue in. See what I got? Oh, guys, I need to see it. Oh, dang. Oops, guys. Okay. So we spilled it, guys. We spilled it. But it's fine. Should have brought a rag. Let me go get a rag real fast, guys. Coming, you guys. Coming. Wait, that was bad. Catastrophe. You don't want that to happen, by the way, guys. You won't ruin your slime because you have a little less glue. You can make slime with like a tiny bit of amount of glue. But then you don't need like much detergent. If you're using usually a bottle of glue, then you need like, I don't know, tiny bit of Tide. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour some in here. And put some Tide in my glue. And you can color it and everything out like that, but I'm showing you how to make simple slime for if you want to make slime one day, and then you can make and then you can find all these pro tips. I know some pro tips, but I don't think you guys are ready for that. For those who don't out there, but if you want me to show you, and this actually will make blue because it is blue detergent. So, yeah. It won't make that darker blue, but it's like this is not like that good yet, but like it takes a minute for it to like adjust and stuff. Oh wait, don't you need baking soda? I haven't made slime in a very long time, guys. But if it doesn't work, I'm pretty sure you need baking soda. I'm going to add you some pro tips at the end of this video, so stay tuned. I don't know if I might say pro tips. Okay, so this is satisfying. Okay. Gotta get this slime. Work it, girl. Work it. Work it, girl. Work it. Work it, girl. Work it. It's not coming out, guys. Why is it not coming out? Okay, we need baking soda. I haven't made some so long. I'm so sorry, guys. I don't know. But if this doesn't work, we need baking soda. We need baking soda to the rescue. We need baking soda to the rescue. We need baking soda to the rescue. Oh yeah, it's coming together. Wait, no, we don't. No, we don't. We don't need baking soda to the rescue. Okay, so I need to pull up my sleeves where they do not get dirty. Okay, guys. So I like to mix early. I don't know if you guys like to, but yeah, like to mix kind of early. But I like to put more laundry detergent. And I know we probably won't need that much, but totally pour it back in. It's like sloppy mess, but I don't think we will need it. We might need like a pinch of it or something. I don't know, because I'm not a pro. You gotta go as a pro. Guys, I've never used this brand, but it looks like it's kind of actually coming together. So, kind of. It's kind of. Oh yeah, it's coming together. Okay, so, yeah, we just need a little bit more mix and skills, Pro tips, pro tips. Pro. I got that. Whoa. Whoa. It's like mashed potatoes and gravy. Okay. We definitely need some. This doesn't work the last time. Like, I'm trying to do that last time. Trying to do this. And if this doesn't work, I'm gonna add some. The drum roll, please. Baking soda. Oh my gosh. My hands are all dirty. I'm dirty, but like. So I put a lot in here this time. So hopefully it worked. Oh my gosh. Yes, it's working. But we just need a lot. A lot. Oh yeah. Okay. Pro tips. Pro tips. So it's coming together. Oh dang. It's getting big mess. You can see that, guys. That's detergent. I have like 12 bottles of these packs. I have 10 of these, no, 5 of these packs, so that makes 10 bottles of glue. And I also have a separate battery that I never use, so I'm going to have to try it off camera and I'll make more with it. So my slime is coming together. Not really. I'm still making it. But, and if you add, here's a pro tip. Oh, wait, I got to do that at the end of the video. Oh my gosh. And if you have any extra Tide that just couldn't go in there, you could do that. It is going to be bad. I feel like I put too much Tide. But if you do put too much Tide, guys, don't throw your slime in the trash. Just add a little water. No, take out some of the detergent. And you can put more detergent in if you put it too much in water. So yeah. Don't worry. Don't worry. Ooh, shake it, girl. Don't worry. It's like slime, but it's like not like it's slime. But I think I had too much detergent. So guys, I'm so sorry, guys. I've not made slime in a very long time. I think you need to add baking soda if you don't want to add much Tide. But I'm not really sure. Like I said, gotta ask the pros out there. Sorry, guys, but I'm not a pro. But I can make regular original slime, and this is my slime. Let's not like that. I'm still doing the pro skills, and here's a pro skill, guys. Wash it. Take some of the laundry detergent out. And it won't be all floppy and flippy and like it is right now. Great clicking. Ooh, nice. I like this one. Maybe add some paint in here. I don't know what time I'm gonna keep this. If I'm gonna keep, I might keep this blue. I'm not sure. Keep this blue or not? I'm not sure. So. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what it looks like, guys. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's like a little pin. Click, 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 click. So, this is amazing. Pro skills. Okay, we gotta move up the line. Move on. And, well, this is some slime. It's on my pan right now. I'm sitting awkward. Anyways, look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Hear that, guys? It's amazing. Noise. I really like the slime. It's like pro skills. I don't know what the slime is like. It's like, I don't know. Just look at this. I'm gonna show you that colors, guys. It's I'm still trying to make it like you might have to mix it for a minute or two because it might just not really want to mix that well, I should say. Get out of my vlog. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. You're on the ground. You can stay, I guess. Oh, they're all on the ground, actually. Oh, well. Okay. So, yeah, this is what my slime looks like. Woo-hoo. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that is how you make slime. And if you don't want to add that much detergent, you can. My dog's scratching at the door. Bobo, I'll come in just a minute. Okay, so, if you don't want to add that much detergent and add water, blah, 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 you can just add a little bit of baking soda. So, yeah. And there's other ways you can make slime using actually glue. You can go on Will It Slime. That is an amazing channel, and either it never comes up for me, but I don't use the right things. And something always happens. My mom's like, you only can use a little bit. And I use a lot, actually. So it doesn't come up. But hopefully it comes up for you guys. Bye, guys.